Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It is a Dollar Tree haul, but this is a collab with my friend Amber, Anchor Amber here on YouTube. So I actually stumbled on her through Nicole Burgess and I'm so happy I did, and I am enjoying these new friendships that I am building. So Amber, I am so happy to be doing this collab with you. You really inspired me to start working on that $10 challenge. However, I spent more than $10. I spent under 20, but I spent over $10. So forgive me. We were supposed to do $10, but I just couldn't because I'm picking up crafting stuff. So the DIY bug really hit me. So yeah, I picked up more stuff. So I went into the Dollar Tree with my Pinterest board of my inspirations of things that I want to do in my house. And I just went ahead and picked up everything that I needed. So if you guys are not subscribed to Amber, Anchor Amber here on YouTube, she has amazing content. She does CVS couponing. She also does grocery hauls. She also does Stitch Fix, Dollar Tree. So yes, love you, girl. So definitely go and subscribe to her channel. Her channel link will be in the description box. Go and subscribe to her. Make sure you go and check out Amber, subscribe to her channel, comment a pineapple emoji if you are coming from my channel to hers. And if you're coming from Amber's channel to mine, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I do couponing, I do hauls, I do lifestyle, all sorts of stuff. So if you like a wide variety of content, then I'm your girl. So let's just go ahead and get into the haul. So the first thing, I've been holding this whole entire intro, is this wreath. So I went ahead and picked up another willow wreath. So got this. And then I picked up 3 placemats. So I picked up 2 of these maple leaves. They're in red. And then I picked up 1 of the owls, which I thought were super cute. So my color scheme for the fall this year is kind of like a burnt orangey / brown wood type color. So I'm not going with the mint green and white. I'm going with the burnt oranges, reds, browns, stuff like that. So the next thing I picked up are these 4x6 frames. So you can put 3 pictures in each. So I picked 2 of them up. And then I also picked up 1 8x10 photo frame. I love the Dollar Tree photo frames. They are fantastic. And then I picked up a few more of these metal letter words. So it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So I picked up 1 of those. And then I picked up some more florals. So I picked up the holly berries. I think these are holly berries. Yeah, I picked up the berries. So I picked up 1, 2, 3 holly berries. So I picked up 2 in this like burgundy color and 1 in a true red color. So I picked up 3 of these. And then I picked up 1, 2, 3 of the red hydrangeas, and these have a little bit of glitter, not a lot, just a little bit, but I picked these up too, and I'm so excited to do a DIY with these. So definitely stay tuned. I posted another DIY Dollar Tree craft video. I'll have that linked below in the description box if you want to go and check that out. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up this canvas panel. So it's a 2-piece canvas panel. So I have that for a DIY too. Everything I bought is for DIY. So if you like Dollar Tree DIYs, then definitely stay tuned because I've really been inspired doing Dollar Tree craft items. So I've been really inspired to do Dollar Tree DIYs. So make sure you are staying tuned for future DIY videos because I had so much fun with my last one. And then I picked up a glitter ribbon. So this is just in red. So all of the holiday stuff are starting to trickle into my store, which I'm so excited about. And then the last thing I picked up is this little coin purse, and it is a black lab. And I have a black lab, and I about died when I saw couponing for a cause. She did a walkthrough at the Dollar Tree, and I saw this, and I am so excited I found it because I have a black lab named Charlie, and I absolutely wanted to have that, and I'm absolutely going to put my coins in it. So Charlie will be able to walk around with me everywhere I go. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. So I didn't quite spend $10, but I think I clocked in at like $18. So yes, and everything I'm using is for crafting supplies. So I told you guys that if I was going to spend more than $10, it was going to be for a purpose, and I have a purpose for everything that I picked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Make sure you go and check out Amber's Dollar Tree haul because she did one as well. I'm pretty sure she stuck to the $10 challenge. I didn't. So definitely go and check out her channel, share some love with her, subscribe to her channel, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.